What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So just a little update on what's been going on. I've recently tested positive for COVID about a week and some days ago. Weird thing is I didn't have no symptoms at all. I just remember one night I was just feeling really sick, had body aches, chills, and just a regular flu, and I thought I just had the common flu, so I went and got tested that following Monday, and then Wednesday came along and the results came in, tested positive for COVID. So for last week I've been quarantined, so I haven't really been in the garage or working on anything because I've got to quarantine, isolate, stuff like that. But I have been working on the Camry. I think it's a Camry, but I have been working on the Camry, and I got some of it, the parts wrapped already. Also, we are still doing a giveaway. I've seen there's been about 10 new subscribers, so welcome to the channel. Let me go ahead and get that out of the way. We are still doing the giveaway, the 1,000 sub giveaway. Remember, it's free. All you gotta do is like the video, subscribe of course, and then comment down below that you have subscribed, and that is your entry to the giveaway. So go ahead, I'll give you guys about 5 seconds to go ahead and do that now. Alright, good. Well, welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing, and your entry is now into the raffle. So we're just gonna wrap a few parts here tonight. I'm gonna try to get the front end at least done for the most part, and then we can work on getting the rear of this car done as well. So first off, we're just gonna do the front end. Like I said, I got the fenders done so far, both sides. Well, the driver's side's almost completely done, but we still got to do the front bumper and the hood, and then the front end will be complete. One thing I'm trying to figure out too is trying to get the door handles done, because that's gonna be a little tricky. I don't want to take nothing apart really, so I want to try to figure out the best route to go ahead and take everything else, or be able to wrap around everything else without having to take out the door handles, because I know that's going to be a pain in the butt. And then I got to take off the emblems and stuff on the rear, of course. Take off the rear emblem, the Toyota symbol, and the model. Alright, so here I got the passenger side done already. And then, like I said, I started on the driver's side. I just got to finish cutting off the access here along the sides, and then of course under the fender well, and get everything lined up and all stuff. But look at that, check it out. Not too bad. This right here, this is going to be cut off, so this air bubble doesn't even matter anyways, because all this is going to be sealed and then tucked into the that corner plastic piece that we have here. On the side mirrors, what I'm doing is I'm doing this thing in 2 pieces just because of the curve here. So I'm running a knifeless tape along the edges here, and then down this way, and then across here. Run knifeless tape there, take off the first layer, and then add the second piece with the knifeless tape again and get that all lined up. Like I said, the hardest part's probably going to be the door handles. So we'll probably we'll do the whole front end tonight, and maybe the roof, and then we'll work on the harder parts next. I still got a whole bunch of roll left, so I'm doing good as far as like not using too much of the wrap that I don't need to use. So that way, in case we mess up, we still have some more wrap to play with and fix and correct any areas that we need to fix again. So go ahead and finish this, then we'll wrap the front bumper, and then that lower part there. Also, remember, I am installing the fog lights onto this car too, so I gotta figure out how to pop this off, because I don't want to go and take off the front bumper. I just want to just be able to pop this out, pop in the fog lights, and then wire them up, and then that's over and done with there. So, but this is the progress so far. If you guys are liking this so far, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, like the video. Also, I need you guys' help too. Please start liking the videos. We're trying to, beat up the algorithm with YouTube. That way we can get more views, for the channel. I'm trying to grow that. Like I said before, I'm trying to grow this channel. and you know, build something out of it. So do me a favor, be sure to like the video now if you can, subscribe to if you can. This is part of the giveaway over here. As I mentioned before, we got 6.5 6x9s tweeters and amps. You got a full Memphis setup for free. All you gotta do is like, comment, and subscribe, of course, and that is your free entry to the video, to the raffle. So let me go ahead and get this one finished up. That way we can work on the hood and the bumper next, and then call it a night. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the access that we don't need here, and then start tucking this off, and then we can start cutting this and setting everything down. Alright guys, so hood is done. Just finished with the hood. Also finished with the driver's side fender, as you guys saw. I wanted to get more done tonight, but it's already 11 o'clock and I have work tomorrow in the morning, so this is going to be it for tonight. Tomorrow we'll go ahead and work on the front bumper, get the front end complete, and then we'll work on the side. Still got a whole bunch of wrap left, as you can see, so I'm doing well, but so far this is done. We'll complete the front bumper and everything tomorrow, then we'll finish the rest of this side mirror, and also I use whatever left I had of the fender for this side mirror too as well. So we'll finish wrapping this end, and then the mirrors will be complete, and then we can finish on the sides and the back. So far so good. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap it up for tonight's video. This is probably going to be like a 3-part video to complete this, just because of work and stuff like that. We'll probably be able to finish this weekend. But that's going to wrap it up for today's video. We are making some progress. Check that out. If you guys enjoyed tonight's video, do me a favor, go ahead, like this video now. Again, subscribe to the channel so you can enter in the giveaway. It's free. All you got to do is like, subscribe, and comment that you have subscribed, and you're automatically entered into the giveaway. So that's going to wrap it up for tonight's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.